Parade Day, Marching Through the Calendar Year by Bob Barner. He's our author and our illustrator. Parade Day, Marching Through the Calendar Year by Bob Barner. Presented by Holiday House, New York. Or published by Holiday House, New York. And the summary right here says, easy rhyming text describes a parade celebrating each month of the year, followed by information about different calendars, the months, and how to make one's own calendar. This book is about parades, months, the calendar, and it presents a story in rhyme. January 1 begins a new calendar year. Watch the Rose Bowl parade and give a big cheer. All together now. January 1 begins a new calendar year. Watch the Rose Bowl parade and give a big cheer. Yay! February winter carnival is filled with ice and snow. Wear your scarf and mittens to this frosty show. Brrr. All together now. February winter carnival is filled with ice and snow. Wear your scarf and mittens to this frosty show. March 17 is the St. Patrick's Day parade. Wear the color green on this lucky Irish day. All together now. March 17 is the St. Patrick's Day parade. Wear the color green on this lucky Irish day. In a ticker tape parade in April, confetti fills the sky. Cheer for our heroes as they pass by. All together now. In a ticker tape parade in April, confetti fills the sky. Cheer for our heroes as they pass by. Woohoo! Dance to mariachi music on the 5th day of May. Celebrate a Mexican festival at the Cinco de Mayo parade. All together now. Dance to mariachi music on the 5th day of May. Celebrate a Mexican festival at the Cinco de Mayo parade. Brush your cocker spaniel, tie your bunny with a bow. A pet parade in June is a happy furry show. All together now. Brush your cocker spaniel, tie your bunny with the bow. A pet parade in June is a happy furry show. On July 4, we wave flags and say hooray. Wear red, white, and blue on Independence Day. All together now. On July 4, we wave flags and say hooray. Wear red, white, and blue on Independence Day. Hooray! Animals parade in August when the circus is in town. Elephants and ponies follow a circus clown. All together now. Animals parade in August when the circus is in town. Elephants and ponies follow a circus clown. I-C-D-A-Y, that spells day. I have a feeling a Labor Day parade is coming up. The first Monday of September is the Labor Day parade. Everyone can come because there is no school today. All together now. The first Monday of September is the Labor Day parade. Everyone can come because there is no school today. Dress up in your costume and trick or treat tonight. On the 31st of October, you might see a spooky sight. All together now. Dress up in your costume and trick or treat tonight. On the 31st of October, you may see a spooky sight. That's right. Look for giant balloons floating high today. On the 4th Thursday of November, watch the Thanksgiving Day parade. All together now. Look for giant balloons floating high today. On the 4th Thursday of November, watch the Thanksgiving Day parade. On December 25, Santa rides in his sleigh. 8 tiny reindeer pull him in the Christmas parade. All together now. On December 25, Santa rides in his sleigh. 8 tiny reindeer pull him in the Christmas parade. January, February, March, April, May, June, that's our top row. July, August, September, October, November, December, that's the bottom row. January. January is the first month of the new year. There are 31 days in January. The first day of this month is called New Year's Day. The Rose Bowl Parade takes place in Pasadena, California, every New Year's Day. The floats are covered with real flowers. Martin Luther King Jr. Day is observed on the third Monday in January. Chinese New Year is celebrated in January or February. Parades with lion dancers and dragons are said to bring people good luck in the new year. February. February is the second month of the year. There are usually 28 days in this month. Every 4 years, February has an extra day called Leap Day. Groundhog Day is on February 2. Valentine's Day is on February 14. President's Day is on the third Monday of the month. In February or March, Mardi Gras is celebrated in cities and towns in Louisiana with festivals and parades. March is the third month of the year. There are 31 days in this month. March 17 is St. Patrick's Day. It is a custom to wear green on this day. Easter parades take place on Easter Sunday in either March or April. Here comes April, top row. April has 30 days. It is the fourth month of the year. The first day of this month is April Fool's Day. May. May is the fifth month of the year. There are 31 days in this month. Cinco de Mayo, which means the 5th of May in Spanish, is a Mexican festival filled with music, food, and dancing. We celebrate Mother's Day on the second Sunday in May. Memorial Day is observed on the last Monday of the month. June. June has 30 days and is the 6th month of the year. Father's Day comes on the 3rd Sunday in June. School summer vacation often starts during this month. Bottom row, July. July is the 7th month of the year, and it is 31 days long. We celebrate our Independence Day on the 4th of July. Many towns across the United States have 4th of July parades. August. August has 31 days and is the 8th month of the year. Friendship Day is on August 2. September. September has 30 days and is the 9th month of the year. The first Monday of September is Labor Day. The Jewish New Year, Rosh Hashanah, falls in September or October. October has 31 days. That's right, October's next. October has 31 days and is the 10th month of the year. Columbus Day falls on the second Monday of October. The last day of October is Halloween. New York City has a large Halloween parade. Your neighborhood may have a parade at school or inside the shopping center. November. November has 30 days and is the 11th month of the year. Members of the armed forces are honored on the 11th of November, Veterans Day. The fourth Thursday of November is Thanksgiving Day. Every year, there is a huge Thanksgiving Day parade in New York City filled with giant balloons and marching bands. December. December has 31 days and is the 12th and last month of the year. Christmas Day comes on December 25. Some cities and towns have a Christmas Day parade or a ceremony to light the official Christmas tree. Hanukkah usually falls in December. Kwanzaa begins on December 26. Make your own calendar. Calendar information. Oh, there's a lot there. Learn this rhyme to remember the number of days in each month. 30 days hath September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, excepting February alone. And that has 28 days clear and 29 each leap year. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. All the rest have 31, excepting February alone, and that has 28 days clear and 29 each leap year. Ta-da! Ta-da! The end.